Hello, Pathway students. This is Brother Wadham. I thought it would be helpful to take a moment to give you a quick run-through of how to go through the lessons each week, when the due dates are, and how to navigate through iLearn Brightspace so you can accomplish the assignments for each week. So if you click on Content, that will take you to all 14 lessons. I'm going to click on Lesson 2 here, and you'll see here that there is a image that shows you what you're going to be doing in the lesson and what's due by midweek, meaning Wednesday at 11 p.m. Mountain Time and Saturday at 11 p.m. Mountain Time. Remember that if you are in a different time zone, you need to calculate when you need to have the assignment submitted by looking at what time it is where you are and making sure that you get it done by 11 p.m. Mountain Time, no matter where it is that you are living. So this gives you just a basic overview of what's going to happen in the lesson. There are 3 parts to every lesson that you will be working through. First is the pre-gathering, and these are the assignments that are due by midweek. With every single lesson, there's going to be a discussion board for questions and conversations. And I really enjoyed the questions and conversations, and you've had quite a few. I can see a few here that need to be responded to. So this will be the same every single week. As we move on, you're marking the beginning of this in week 2, and so you read the instructions and simply click on the quiz to begin the quiz, and you take the quizzes and respond to the best of your ability. Notice that I'm clicking on this right arrow here to move forward in each lesson. The next assignment is the lesson material and quiz. So this week, the lesson material revolves around the BYU Idaho Learning Model, as well as the BYU Idaho Honor Code. So notice that I clicked on these bars and expanded them so that you can read all the material and the various steps to which you need to go to complete the assignment for both the material on Learning Model and the material on the Honor Code. There's a video to watch, another thing to read, some more material to become familiar with, and then you can review your notes and complete the quiz on this material once you've studied it. Again, this is a pre-gathering assignment which is due Wednesday evening, tonight, for this particular assignment. Now, as you've learned these things, you're going to want to ponder on what you've learned, and in the Lesson 2 discussion board, you're going to put your response post to talk about what you've learned in this particular assignment. Again, there are these bars that you can click on to expand. You can find an example post, tips for using the discussion board, and most importantly, you're going to find the criteria that I will use as your instructor to grade your post. So I would encourage you to take a look at those criteria to make sure that you're meeting them so that you can assure yourself of full credit for every single assignment. So those are the things that are due tonight. The next part of each week is the preparation and attendance report for the Thursday evening gathering. So each week there will be some items for you to look at to prepare for the gathering. There's a video, there's some quotes. There's also this semester worldwide devotionals. They're only 15 or so minutes, and you could read those. And make sure you're prepared for the gathering, and after the gathering tomorrow night, and after each gathering each Thursday, the next part of your assignment each week is to report your attendance. Then you have post-gathering assignments. Those are always due Saturday, so it's easy to remember that you have assignments due Wednesday, gathering on Thursday, and post-gathering assignments due on Saturday night. These are the post-gathering assignments right here. We'll click on the first one, discussion board response posts. Here are the directions, and you can click here to go directly to the discussion board. You can also go to the discussion board using the discussions link at the top of the page. Now you have an application activity that's due by Saturday, watching and reflecting on a video about the honor code and another video, and you have an activity template. This is designed for you to fill out this document that you download, complete that document, and put it in the activity folder, and then click here to submit it. And once again, at the bottom, there is the rubric or the grading criteria that will be used. And pay close attention to this so you're making sure that you're doing all the things that it asks you to do. The next thing you'll be asked to do this week is to teach a friend. This will be due by Saturday night again. And just think about what you've learned during the week relative to either aspects of the BYU Idaho learning model or the honor code, and then teach this material to a friend in any way that you desire, using these possibilities here, and then download the template, fill it out, and submit your assignment. We have 4 adequate and good quality examples to show you what we're looking for in terms of your report, and finally, once again, the grading criteria. So that is a quick, basic overview, and here's a note regarding the use of the learning model. So that's the way every week is going to go from here on out. I hope that this is helpful. As always, please let me know if you're having any concerns, questions at all, and I would be happy to help you in whatever way I can. So feel free to call me, to email me, to text me. But let's make sure that you're succeeding. And I look forward to visiting with you further. Thanks.